XRP is looking exceptionally bullish, outperforming all of the top 7 cryptos. So at 31.7% in the last 7 days compared to all the others, it is a clear standouter. And if that's a word, that's good. But the volume has been absolutely brilliant as well compared to the ratios and all the other cryptos. And at $1.43, it is being very stable, and there is no better time to get involved. And I do think XRP will make it to number one. It's going to take over Bitcoin, definitely Ethereum, and it is only a matter of time. There's been massive trading volume, 278 billion traded in the last 24 hours, and market cap 3.3 trillion. And to understand how big it is, we're going to look at the market cap history. And if we go back around, say, 2013, August 1st, $1.2 billion. And if you were to talk about it back then, talk about crypto back then, everyone would think you're crazy. And no doubt, if you talk about it now, the next door neighbor will know exactly what you're talking about, because it's roughly $3.4 trillion. That is a massive, massive increase. And we're going to look at Dan's little chart. So charts are looking so good, it's insane. He says, this crypto dip is the best possible thing that could be happening at this moment. Might be a minute, but brace for the next leg up. It'll happen with great velocity. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Spartacus. If you enjoy XRP, if you enjoy the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button where you don't miss out on the latest in XRP news. And the graph we're looking at here is the bull run graph. So these yellow little arrows point at where it went parabolic in the past. So that's 2017 bull run, and you got the 2021 yellow indicating the price trajectory. And he's suggesting that we're going to go up again massively, and I do believe in that as well. History repeats itself, and is quite a clear indicator from the last two bull runs, and the bull run really hasn't begun yet. And we can quite clearly see that XRP is looking exceptionally healthy, $1.41. So XRP eyes $6.90 by January 2025. A lot of people got predictions. Stablecoins, which have become one of the most popular crypto products out there, one of the biggest topics for policy discussions, with several bills already floating around Congress. One of the tailwinds, at least in the US, is the realization that stablecoins can fortify the US dollar position abroad, even as the dollar's global reserve currency status slips. So today, more than 99% of stablecoins are denominated in USD, which dwarfs the next largest denomination, 0.20 euro. So that is absolutely massive, and it is going to change regulations as we know it. This is a big post from Smokey. Yes, when the SEC case is settled with Ripple, central banks will have the seal of approval to start using XRP through the XRPL ledger. Banks were designed and for XRP and the institutions. And when we get clarification on the 20th from Gary Gensler, I don't think we're going to hear from him. He's going to resign before he gets fired. And it's going to be clear. A lot of ETFs are coming through for XRP, and that's a big indication of the interest. And a lot of money, liquidity is coming on board, and it's only a matter of time before the price goes absolutely parabolic. So the XRP price on Verge. Here's what the Bollinger Bands show. So since the beginning of November, the price of XRP has risen over 220% at its peak, and the token itself has become extremely popular and talked about again. So we don't have any bad articles about XRP, which is very interesting. After finding its peak at $1.63, XRP reached highs not seen since May 2021, and then, as expected, began to correct, where it now trades at not $1.36, $1.42. So we, despite of all the skepticism and heckling about XRP being an old timer on a crypto market that is regularly under regulatory attack. Let's go. At this time, it has large community of enthusiasts and investors. Everyone is interested in where the token will go next. and it is going to go up. We know that, and despite the fact that predicting the future on the crypto market is highly a rewarding activity, we can turn to some of the indicators that can indicate the future direction of the token's price, and it is obvious it is going to skyrocket. So one such indicator is the Bollinger Bands developed by trader John Bollinger. We'll go with that, which shows the position of the price in relation to its averages, with free moving averages as examples. So the colossal move in the XRP price was preceded by the maximum compression of these bands. Back then, you today wrote that major movements for XRP were coming, and they happened. So now the bands have opened, and the price of the token during all the disturbances of the last few days is below the upper curve, from which it has been fallen for 3 days in a row. So what's next for XRP? According to the rules of the Bollinger Bands, if the XRP price fails to close its weekly candle above the upper band, i.e. to rise and hold above $1.65 by next Monday, then a retest of the middle of the range, now passing in the $1 zone, becomes highly likely. In that case, one of the likely scenarios could be a drop of XRP of at least another 27% from its current levels, but I strongly disagree with this analysis because a lot of times they get it wrong. So a top analyst says XRP to break out soon after recent dip. So let's dive into this one. Multiple crypto analysts have highlighted that XRP is preparing for another explosive price move following its recent pullback. In the last 24 hours, the value of XRP has declined by over 11%. That's not true. It's around $1.45 at the moment. So the latest bearish movement has further impacted XRP's weekly performance, with the asset now down 23% from its recent multi-year high of $1.62. This downturn mirrors Bitcoin's drop from 99,000 to 90,500. Let's have a look if that's true or not. So what are we looking at? 93, get it wrong again. So 93,000. However, the market analysts believe a bullish reversal could be on the horizon for XRP after its 4-day downtrend. So XRP breakout expected very soon. One such analyst, Crypto Schofield, expressed this view today in a post on X. He suggested that XRP is setting up for a breakout as it approaches a breaking point of a symmetrical triangle formed by the asset's price action over the past few days, following its peak of $1.62 on November 23rd. So in a separate post, analyst Zel Tima highlighted that XRP's one-day chart is likely to close with a dragonfly doji, which is highly bullish signal considering the current downtrend. He pointed out recent candlestick patterns, noting that just a few days ago, XRP closed with a gravestone doji, followed by a hammer, then a long leg doji. So he believes today candlestick is likely to form a dragonfly doji. How can you be bearish right now? He challenges market skeptics. So notably, since falling to $1.29, XRP has quickly recovered, setting around $1.45. So it is on its way up. It is only a matter of time before it goes parabolic. So the chart guy, long-term market, $8 to 13. Expected that these scenarios to unfold through 2025, but that is a prediction. The crypto market is very mysterious. So that is all from Crypto Spartacus. Until the next one, peace out.